In 2025, AI is unlocking more ways to make money online than ever before. From automated content creation to instant video production, these tools are transforming how creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs earn income. Today, we're counting down the top 5 AI tools to make money online, each one designed to help you work smarter, faster, and more profitably. Whether you're into blogging, design, video, or app development, there's an AI solution ready to boost your earnings. Get ready for a dynamic lineup featuring GravityWrite, VideoGen, ImagineArt, Copymatic, and Easy-Peasy.AI. Number 3 might just surprise you. Let's dive in and discover which AI tools are leading the way in 2025's creator economy. Coming in at number 5 is Easy-Peasy.AI, a versatile platform designed to streamline content creation for bloggers, marketers, and freelancers. Its intuitive user interface makes it easy to navigate, while a wide selection of templates helps users quickly generate blog posts, SEO content, and email campaigns. With powerful text-to-blog and ad copy tools, you can produce high-quality content in a fraction of the usual time. Monetization opportunities are abundant. Offer writing services, launch your own blog, or tap into affiliate marketing by creating engaging content that drives traffic and sales. The main advantages of Easy-Peasy.AI are its speed and simplicity, but some users may find advanced customization options limited compared to more complex tools. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to make money online with AI-powered content creation. At number 4, we have Copymatic, a powerful AI tool designed to supercharge your content creation workflow. Its intuitive dashboard makes it easy to generate long-form articles, product descriptions, and marketing copy in just minutes. Copymatic stands out with advanced SEO integration, helping users craft content that ranks higher on search engines. Monetization opportunities abound. You can sell SEO blog packages to clients, build and grow niche websites for passive income, or automate content production for agencies and businesses. The real advantage here is speed and quality. Copymatic delivers polished, optimized writing at a fraction of the time it would take manually. For creators and entrepreneurs looking to scale their online presence, this tool is a game changer in the world of 2025 AI automation. Coming in at number 3 is ImagineArt, an AI-powered tool that transforms simple text prompts into stunning visuals. With its advanced image creation capabilities, users can explore a wide range of art styles and consistently produce high-quality outputs suitable for any project. ImagineArt opens up multiple income streams. You can sell AI-generated prints, design eye-catching thumbnails for content creators, or offer complete social media graphics packages. Many entrepreneurs also monetize their digital art by creating products for online marketplaces like Etsy, Fiverr, and even Kindle Direct Publishing for book covers. Whether you're a designer or just starting out, ImagineArt makes it easier than ever to turn creativity into cash in 2025. Coming in at number 2 is VideoGen. This powerful AI tool transforms simple text prompts into fully produced videos, complete with avatars. For creators, VideoGen opens up a world of monetization options. Whether you're making YouTube content, producing videos for clients, designing ads, or running faceless channels. The workflow is fast and efficient, allowing you to go from script to finished video in a fraction of the usual time. With 2025 AI automation, you can scale your video production and reach new audiences, all while saving hours on editing and post-production. VideoGen is redefining how creators make money online with AI-powered video generation. At number 1, we have GravityWrite, the ultimate AI tool to make money online in 2025. GravityWrite features a powerful writing dashboard designed to streamline your entire content creation process. Its advanced YouTube SEO tools can automatically generate optimized titles, engaging scripts, and detailed video descriptions, saving hours of manual work. This level of automation is a game changer for creators and agencies alike. With GravityWrite, you can launch a YouTube automation agency, offer SEO description services to businesses, or provide professional video script writing for clients. Whether you're building your own channel or supporting others, GravityWrite empowers you to scale your content and income with 2025 AI automation. Each of these top 5 AI tools offers unique advantages for making money online in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, designer, video producer, or aspiring developer, there's a solution tailored to your needs. From automating writing tasks with GravityWrite, generating stunning visuals with ImagineArt, to creating engaging videos with VideoGen, these platforms streamline workflows and open up new income streams. Freelancers can offer specialized services, businesses can enhance their digital presence, and creators can monetize their skills more efficiently than ever before. With AI automation driving productivity and creativity, the earning potential is only growing. Consider which tool aligns best with your goals and expertise, and start leveraging AI to build your online income. These innovations are empowering people every day to turn ideas into real revenue. Ready to start your journey with AI tools to make money online? You'll find links to all the featured platforms in the description below, so you can explore each one and see which fits your goals. As technology continues to evolve, AMA AI Tech is here to guide you through the latest innovations in 2025 AI automation and beyond. We're passionate about helping creators, freelancers, and businesses unlock new opportunities with cutting-edge AI solutions. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. We love hearing how these tools impact your workflow. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the future of AI tools together.